Hi guys, today we are going to learn how to calibrate a Tacobot's motor. This is extremely useful if we are going to use a Tacobot without the puzzle cards. Where possible, try to use a Tacobot on a white surface so that it can move better compared to a darker surface. If you're using the puzzle card, then there's no need to calibrate the motor because as you can see in the video, the IR sensor at the bottom of the Tacobot actually corrects the motion. So it would follow the Tacobot as required. So we will begin as usual using the Tacobot app, mobile app. And on the before we start, make sure your Tacobot is connected to the Bluetooth. If you are having more than one Tacobot, so you should do it individually, one by one. Keep confirming, checking each Tacobot individually. So make sure you know your Tacobot code. So you're using a Tacobot or just turn on one Tacobot at a time. So that once that is done, then you should be able to move on to the setting button. So just on the main app page, on the top right corner, the one that looks like gear, there's a setting button where we can change the language, change the volume, and so on using that. The Tacobot's motor calibration, the default setting is, as you can see, 100% power to put the left and the right motor. So if you press the confirm button, it will actually resend that code to the Tacobot, and you can see the Tacobot will actually say OK. And then if you actually press the check button, you can actually see how it moves to the default setting. So as you can see, based on the video, the Tacobot is moving to the right. It's favoring the right. This is because the left motor is acting faster than the right motor. So the right motor is getting less power. So we'll actually decrease the left motor power to balance the power off. So if we were to try to change the left motor to maybe 80%, okay, and then press the confirm button. When you press the confirm button, make sure the Tacobot tells you okay. And if the Tacobot tells you okay, then you can actually check. So by pressing the check button, okay, you will actually see the Tacobot, and you can see now the movement is much more linear. The Tacobot continues to move in a straight line. This is very useful when we're not using the puzzle cards or activities like running the program or coding the Tacobot to move on the surface. As I said earlier, ensure the surface is white. And if you see that the Tacobot is not moving the way you want to, it's still favoring the left or the right slightly, you can adjust it accordingly. So if the Tacobot is favoring the left, it means the right motor is faster. And if it's favoring the right, it means the left motor is faster. So you just need to reduce the speed of the corresponding motor. You can also change both the motor speed if you want your Tacobot to move slower, especially if you are using the puzzle card.